Family from the Tri-Cities area just arrived in Texas hours ago with supplies.
Yeah, the Southern Gospel group, the Knight family from Fall Branch, collected 3 trailer loads of items donated from local churches. They had an online auction. People even from other states sent items, and they brought us these pictures to show just some of the devastation they've encountered. This is around Orange, Texas, one of the small towns devastated by Harvey. Adam Knight told us tonight they're now working with law enforcement there to distribute the donations.
I felt the need to do this. I didn't have the items to take or the money to go, but great East Tennesseans came to the benefit of Texas once again, proving why we're called the Volunteers.
Knight told us he plans to keep an eye on what's happening in the Caribbean with Hurricane Irma. The need may be expanding in other places. Well, tomorrow